to do operation with matrices. We'll start with the simplest one, the addition of two matrices. Here you have matrix A and matrix B. So matrix A has order 3 rows, 2 columns. Matrix B has the same order. So the matrix A plus B should have also 3 times 2 order. To add, you add element by element. So you start with the first element in the first row, first column, put an equal, and then add. This will be equals to this, so click there, plus this one here, present. Now go over the element you have added and see the mouse, it changes to from white to black cross, extended to the right, and extends to 10. 10 is the addition of 4 plus 6. If you want to extend to the whole matrix, go to the first, shift arrows, highlight both of them, and when the mouse changes from white to black, press click and go down. That will extend the whole 2 plus 2, 4, 5 plus 4, 9, 3 plus 5, 8, and 6 plus 5, 11. What we're going to learn is transposition. This matrix has 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 2 columns. So, 4 rows and 2 columns. So it's transposed to have order 2 times 4. Actually, transposition is very simple to do. All you have to do is go to your matrix on the top and pressing shift and the arrows or the mouse, you highlight all terms of the entries of the matrix, right click, copy. And now come where you want to put it, right click, paste, but not paste, paste special. Go to paste special, and the options will come. One of these is transpose. Okay, and here use transpose matrix. As you can see, it has 2 rows and 4 columns. Multiplication. Here you have matrix A of order 3 by 2 and B 2 by 4. Therefore, the answer to this will be a matrix of order 3 by 4. How do you do it? Here you have to be slightly more careful. First of all, you need to highlight a 3 by 4 set of cells. So that's the first cell, let's start 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, once you have highlighted, go to the first, don't click anything, but put equals to, and now we're going to use matrix multiplication. So m mul, you see it comes there, open parentheses, and now with your mouse, highlight the first matrix here. Fine, and now add a semicolon and highlight your second matrix. Fine, and close parentheses. And now you have to be careful because if you press enter, thing will not work. So you need to press Ctrl, Shift, Enter. And here is the multiplication of the two matrices. So remember, Ctrl, Shift, Enter, and inverse. Here is a 2 by 2 matrix. The determinant, we just going to put it here so that equals to m because it's a matrix, and then you start determinant. You see the name of the function comes here, and all you need to do is highlight with your mouse. You may or may not close the parentheses, depends on whether you work on Windows or Mac. So press enter. Here's your determinant. The inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix is 2 by 2. So you have to do similar to the multiplication. You first highlight the cells necessary to write the inverse, and you write equals to m inverse. You see there, inverse, open parentheses, highlight with your mouse the matrix you want to invert, close parentheses, and again, Ctrl, Shift, Return. And there is your inverse. And that's all about the inverse.